Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix keyboard lag or delay. So there is a delay whenever you click on a key on your keyboard. So let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on accessibility, that's under gaming. Scroll down and under interaction, you'll find keyboard, click on that. Make sure sticky keys, filter keys, toggle keys, all of these buttons right here are switched off. So once this is switched off, close this. In the Windows search bar, type keyboard. Click on it, control panel. Now the keyboard properties will be up. So here, make sure that the repeat rate for this low, make sure this is set to the fast, which is on the maximum. Now once this is like this or this looks like this, click on apply and click on OK. Then right click at the start button, select device manager in the list of options. Now here in the device manager window, now let me quickly click on this. You need to locate your keyboards. Now if you cannot find that, simply click on scan for hardware changes. You can do this for like 3 times, and you can also click on show hidden devices. Now let's look for our keyboard. So here you can find my keyboard. Now make a right click on it, select update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this. And if the issue persists, then we can uninstall it. So make a right click, select uninstall device, click on uninstall. Now after you have uninstalled that, just simply click on action, click on scan for hardware changes. You can also do this like for like 3 times. And if this is not yet reinstalled, just simply close this and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. That will automatically reinstall the keyboard driver that you have uninstalled on your Windows. And also do not forget to update your Windows. So click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and click this button right here. So this may be a simple solution, but updating your Windows, that can really fix a lot. So once you're updated, close this. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.